First look at Game Turbo on the Xiaomi Poco F1 running MIUI stable. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of new videos. Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video we're going to have a first look at Game Turbo running on your Xiaomi Poco F1 with MIUI stable. As you can see, right now I'm running MIUI Global Stable 10.3.4.0. I had previously done a video on Game Turbo running MIUI 10 beta, but for the stable version they made some changes. They changed the UI and also added a few options and removed a few options, so I thought I'll go ahead and make a new video for your peeps. First things first, how do you access Game Turbo? Well, if you are on MIUI 10 stable, open your app drawer and you will have a new icon called Game Turbo, which is this guy over here. If you do not see that, the other place to access Game Turbo is you go into the security application, scroll down, and in this tools section you will have something called Game Speed Booster. Right now for me it is displaying as a banner, but down the line after a few minutes or something it will change this banner to something else and you will have your Game Speed Booster amongst these options. So if you click on Game Speed Booster, it will again open your Game Turbo. So whether you access your Game Turbo from security or from the icon in the app drawer, it's one and the same thing. Let us now go through all the options we have. So for starters, any game which you have installed will automatically show up in Game Turbo. However, if any game is not showing up, you can always click on the plus button and it will list all the applications which you can add to your Game Turbo. So as you can see right now, I can add WhatsApp, Facebook, Amazon, Opera and all those other applications. So you can always select your game manually from this option. If you want to play the game, you just click on the play button on the bottom. But before doing that and seeing what all in-game options we have, let's go through the options. So on top you have this icon to change the view. So if you click on this guy, it will change to a smaller view, and click on it one more time, it will change to a bigger view of all the games you have installed. The second option, this one over here in the middle, is to change between portrait and landscape. So if I click on this one, it will change into landscape. Click on it one more time and it changed into portrait mode. Next option you have over here, this is the settings icon. So if you click on this, it will open the settings. The first option we have over here is whether you want to enable gaming mode or not. So this is the master switch for enabling or disabling gaming mode on your Poco F1 for all the games you have selected in the previous screen. Next option you have is for memory exceptions. So if we click on this guy, all these applications which are listed over here will be automatically cleared when you click on the clear cache button while you are gaming. I will show you that option later in the video, but if you want any specific application to be not killed while you are gaming and you click on the clear cache button, then you can select those applications over here. Next option we have is whether you want to use the toolbox or not. So you can enable or disable the in-game toolbox for using this switch. Next option is whether you want do not disturb or not, and you have settings for do not disturb. So if I click on DND settings, these are the various options which I have. The first one is hands-free calls. So if this guy is enabled and you're playing a game, you get a call, it will automatically be routed to the loudspeaker. Next option you have is true colors. So if you have your automatic brightness turned on and your reading mode turned on, as soon as you open the game, those options will be turned off so that you can play your game at maximum brightness. And the last option is to restrict system gestures. In case you have the 3-finger screenshot, those gestures will be disabled if this switch is enabled. These are all the options you have, or these are all the settings which you can configure for Game Turbo. Let's now click on play and see what all in-game options we get. So as soon as you click on play, you will get a notification that Game Turbo is on. Now to access the in-game toolbox, all you need to do is swipe from the top left corner. And these are my in-game toolbox options or game turbo options. If you click on the down arrow, you will get more options. The first option is to turn on and off your mobile data. The next option is to turn on and off your Wi-Fi. Then you have do not disturb, whether you want to turn off your do not disturb or not. So as you can see, sound and vibration was turned off. And if I click on this guy one more time, it's telling me D&D is off and sound and vibration restored to normal. Next we have auto brightness. So if you click on this guy, auto brightness right now is turned back on. And if you click on it one more time, auto brightness will be turned off, which means you will be gaming at full brightness. Next option we have is keep the game on even if you turn off your screen. So if you're gaming in a place where you're not supposed to game and you're about to get caught, you can always enable this guy, turn the screen off, and your game will still be running in the background. Next up we have our social media icons, WhatsApp and Facebook. So if you click on WhatsApp, it will open in a pop-up window within your game, and you can close it using this option. You can maximize it using this option, and if you click on this option, you can also resize the window to a size which you feel like is appropriate for you while you are gaming. So you can talk with your friends, share stuff with your friends even while you are gaming. Next option you have is to record video. So if you click on this guy, you will have a new small window popping up as an overlay over here, and right now it is recording my screen. If you want to stop it, you click on it one time, it will be highlighted, and then click on it one more time, and there it is. We successfully video recorded our screen for a few seconds. Next option is called screenshot, using which you can take a screenshot while you are gaming. So click on this guy and it will take a screenshot. Bam, working like a boss. And the last option you have in Game Turbo is clear your memory. So if you click on this guy, it will say clearing and then tell you how much memory it cleared. In our case, 415 MB. So this is the option which we were talking about when we were in the settings for Game Turbo. So let me try going back into Game Turbo. If I click on settings and then go into memory exceptions, if you click on clear cache and memory within your game toolbox, all these applications will be cleared automatically. And if you want to prevent certain applications from being cleared automatically, you enable the toggle for that guy over here. That's it for a quick look at all the features of Game Turbo on your Xiaomi Poco F1 running MIUI 10 stable. I hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.